Hello YouTube, back again with another review. Today we got the drill, strap, and powered bit set from Kobalt. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Harbor Freight reviews, more tool reviews, Lowe's, Home Depot. We got item number 0275732. It's Kobalt 12 piece. Let's see if I can get this closer. Got the Kobalt 12 piece drill, strap, and power bit set. It says 12. It has 2 power bits, holes, fit standard 1-inch and 2-inch driver bits. Cut strap to shorten, so you can cut the strap and shorten the to adjust it to your drill's size there. We got, what else? We got some demonstration there of how you can use it with the power drill. Seems like they got the older style bits, older style drill. I'm gonna test it on these drills here. I got a few drills and we'll test it on that. What else we got here? This model made in China. Okay, Kobalt.com. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Let's see here. If I can get it undone without making a mess. And I am making a mess. Alright, we got the straps here. It seems pretty solid. This is flexible plastic here. This gray part, it's kind of flexible. It's a little plastic. This is rubber, so all the blue part is rubber. Same thing with this. It says Kobalt right here. Hope you guys could see it. It looks okay. It looks well made. Alright, first drill that we have a Ryobi. I mean, you can put it on. Should be okay. It's gonna stay on. I mean, it's not gonna fall off, but yeah, occasionally you're gonna be working like that. See, it's gonna fall off. So this is mostly for the older style of drills, the ones that have more to the back. So on those it didn't work. Let's try it on this Hercules here. I do have a Hercules. I don't know if you guys knew, but I do have a Hercules here. Alright. Okay. Yeah, fit in there. Okay. And that's how it looks on the Hercules. It doesn't, seems like it's grabbed pretty well here. Because, yeah, it's actually grabbed pretty well. Maybe you have to put it tighter on those. We got a DeWalt, an old DeWalt. So actually, try it out. I mean, it seems like it should do the trick. See, so it works good. The reason why I picked these up is because a lot of times when you're working and you don't have the time to pick up pretty much. So I'm gonna take these off. you don't have the time to you have everything right here. That's the whole point of this tool here. Actually, it fits a little better on my DeWalt. Here. This is an impact drill. I gotta say, I think it works better on these drills. Just gotta know how to put them on a little tighter, and just make sure it doesn't cover those holes. You know, those holes on the sides, so your drill can breathe. Yeah, I gotta say, it does work. See, it doesn't fall. So it does work. It's kind of weird, but I got an older style DeWalt drill here. And you can tell that it's actually meant for these type of drills. It actually looks a little better. Well, it doesn't look better, but it seems like it's more solid on these drills. Alright guys, well, this was my quick review for this item. I would recommend it if you got this style drill. If your drill has rubber in this part. If it has plastic, like the Ryobi here, plastic, it's just gonna slide off. But if it has some sort of rubber on this part, like a DeWalt, as you can see, it has rubber, like rugged material, then it'll probably stay. Actually, it's pretty firm. Alright guys, well, this was my quick review. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.